While Russia keeps on pushing with huge amounts of armored vehicles and tanks, their losses continue to rise as little success is made. This is done through a multi-layered defense of Ukraine, making any push through very hard. As surveillance drones spots the incoming force, artillery and mortar starts being fired onto the position. The tanks and armored vehicles needs to navigate through a minefield while being targeted by FPV drones and anti-tank weapon system, leaving very little possibility to push through without air superiority, as each Ukrainian layer can immobilize and destroy the armored equipment, resulting in massive amounts of lost equipment Russia needs to endure to make any progress, leaving a lot less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.